now tuned into Yesteryear's Courtney, a Mount Cullane production on the Tobago Festivals Network.
Hi, Esme. How are you going? Where are you off to?
Me is going home from in the shop.
Okay, please, let me carry your bag.
No, I could carry it. And beside, I not want nobody to see we talking.
Okay then. Well, if that's so, if that's what you want, bye for now. I guess I'll see you soon. I think I'll be on my way to go talk to Pa.
Okay, Theo.
Bye. Where you there? So long me want to talk to you. Where were you? Pa, on my way. I met this girl, and she's the most prettiest girl I ever seen. The girl of my dreams. I think I'd like to marry her. I will not sit down and allow Rilla to marry you to that girl. But, Pa, I love her, and she loves me too. And with consent or not, we are going to get married. Matter of fact, I'll go talk to her parents. No, sir, you're not leaving here. Not so thing does go on. You have to carry what you have that make you a man, and then you go with your parents. Okay, Pa, I think I can do that. Boy, before you go, make up your mind. Say you fully love that girl and you're ready for marriage. Make sure you're clean. In our days, only one disease you know about it. And what might that be, Pa? You ever hear about pregnation? And that will make you the 19th out of me 24 picking them. Take it easy, Pa. I won't be having so many kids. You better not. Because daddy's these there, you know, they no more. Where you get now, our sick with them I call gonna hear. You just have to be cautious. Always wear your hat. Protect yourself. Use your rubber. But as you want to get married, me feel you better wait for your wife and let she be your partner. Okay, Pa. Thanks for the advice. I think I'm going down the road now. I'll be on my way.
Theo, me really not like Esme behavior of late, you know.
What about? What no?
She said she no want for married man.
What? Esme?
Yes, Pa.
Esmeralda? Come out here instantaneously.
Yes, Pa.
Me here. You no want to marry to Mark again?
Yes, Pa.
Ah, boy. After we choose him and about to make wedding plans, you dare talk about you no like? Well, tell me something. What Theo get that Mark don't get?
Ma and Pa? Theo not got no cold pot for iron with, you know. He get a thing with a string, and then he push him in a hole by the corner of the house. And that he iron with, and he get a next big white box with the same string for pushing at the house corner. When you open the box, inside cold. Here now, And he even get a next box with something pan the top. When he light the matches and he screw something, fire blaze up. If you see fire.
Esme, how you know all of that?
Well, Pa, I did go home there, you know, but he get plenty more.
What? Esme, how you meet quite there? When you make all them wrongs, you know what? No bother for even answer me. Me no want to hear no more. I go deal with you later.
Macme! Oh, Macme! Oi, Billy's, what go on now, Budge?
Me thirsty. Esme, bring Lily water there, give me. You're little, but you have a hell of a decision to make.
Decision like what?
So you no know really plan for marriage with this man, boy?
Married who? With who? As to the Desmond, he and a quarter century picnic them.
No, you can't say that. No quarter century. A 24 picnic with 25 women.
When you think about it, it can't be Lord. One time, the same Desmond been a talk, say he not low rate himself for talk to our son. But I hope she tell him that he have to bring the boy and come home to ask for she hand in marriage.
Not just so, remember. May have to come with the boy Mark same time too. Anyway, I head up on the right track, so me gone.
This episode was brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited and sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly.